Welcome to Al Seef, a waterfront destination where you can experience the history of Dubai. Hey guys, me and my brother are on a mission to explore 100 places in Dubai, and this is day 1 of our journey.
Al Seef is located along Dubai Creek in the Bird Dubai area. The nearest metro station is Al Fahidi, and from there it's just a short walk. The area is open daily with plenty of parking spaces available nearby for visitors. The name Al Seef comes from Arabic and it simply means the coast or the waterfront. The name fits perfectly well because this place is built along Dubai Creek, which played a huge role in Dubai's early history. When you walk through the heritage market here, you'll notice many traditional shops selling products like oud and bakhur.
तो ये सारे बखूर मतलब क्या रहता है ये?
बखूर जलाने के लिए होते हैं, खुशबू
लकड़ी होती है
जलाने के लिए
कोई भी नेचुरल है।
And bakhur are small chips of wood soaked in fragrance oils that are burned on charcoal.
हाँ, तो एक ऑयल के साथ रहता है, एक बिना ऑयल के।
जी, और ये थोड़ा महंगा भी है।
हाँ, ये
वाला
महंगा
थोड़ा
रहता
महंगा
है।
है।
अच्छा, ये ऑयल निकालता है
हाँ, ये ऑयल निकालते हैं। जो उसका आपने परफ्यूम सुना, देखो परफ्यूम
ये सुपारी जैसा लग रहा है इसका। परफ्यूम इसी से बनते हैं।
जी जी।
हाँ।
It's mainly produced in Arab countries and India. Oud is one of the most luxurious fragrance in the Middle Eastern culture.
कितना रहता है इसका प्राइस?
कितना होता है? 5 से 7 तक, 6 तक, 5 तक अलग अलग इसमें।
अच्छा, 5 दिरहम पर ग्राम।
जी।
Before the construction of Burj Khalifa, Dubai's life revolved around this place. It was the center of trade, fishing, and pearl diving. Merchants from different regions would arrive here by boat and trade goods that were valuable at that time.
Saffron,
ज़ाफ़रान भी ज़्यादा चलते हैं। हाँ, हिंदी में केसर बोलते हैं।
हाँ, केसर।
यहाँ पे आके ज़ाफ़रान हो गया केसर।
आप कहाँ से हैं? अफगानिस्तान।
अफगानिस्तान।
क्या बात है? कुछ तो है।
अच्छा,
आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
इसको हम
जाफरानी बोलते हैं। अच्छा, हम लोग केसर बोलते हैं।
केसर बोलते हैं। हम इंडिया से हैं। यही तर्क
In this market, you'll also find saffron, which is one of the most expensive spices in the world. It comes mainly from Iran, Kashmir, Afghanistan, and Spain.
ये स्पेन से है। ओके, ठीक है।
सब मिक्स होते हैं। और ये है सेकंड क्वालिटी जो नगीना बोलते हैं इसको। नगीना
निगिना।
या ये अफगानिस्तान से आता है।
ये अफगानिस्तान।
ये है और द बेस्ट क्वालिटी जो सुपर नगीना कहना चाहता है।
ये क्या सुपर
नगीना
सुपर नगीना?
सुपर नगीना।
ओ, ये तो स्ट्रॉन्ग है बहुत।
ये ईरान से आता है।
अच्छा, ये ईरान से है।
हाँ,
तो
ये-
मतलब वर्ल्ड का सबसे बेस्ट ज़ाफ़रान ईरान का होता है।
या
और इसका क्या प्राइस रहता है?
इसका 1 ग्राम 30 ग्राम
1 ग्राम 30 दिरहम है।
Yeah.
ओके। और ये सेकंड क्वालिटी का?
ऐसे के 20
20 और
12
12।
There are many herbal organic natural teas like saffron tea, hibiscus, mint, and herbal detox teas. Most of these ingredients come from India, Morocco, Iran, and Africa.
ये सारे नेचुरल है।
नेचुरल सब नेचुरल टी है। इसका अलग अलग
एंटी कैंसर पॉसिबिलिटीज़ भी है इसमें। इम्प्रूव्ड मेटाबॉलिज्म है, इम्प्रूव स्लीपिंग क्वालिटी, हार्ट हेल्थ इसकी अच्छी होती है। इसमें रोज़ डला हुआ है ना ये?
ज़्यादा और भी मिक्स है इसमें।
Here, you'll also find chichi papa or mint crystals.
दुबई की जो सबसे स्पेशल मैजिक है।
हाँ, स्पेशल
चीची
मैजिक
बाबा।
चीची बाबा।
Chichi papa is a herbal digestive mix popular in South Asia. It's concentrated menthol used for breathing relief, tea flavoring, or aromatherapy.
हाँ,
ये विक्स का स्टीम जैसा है ये।
These are traditional herbal remedies and mouth fresheners often sold in spice shops.
इससे
और ये-
जॉइंट पेन भी सारी चीज़ें सही हो जाती है, और इसमें अगर आपको कफ है, साइनस है, कुछ भी है तो उसमें ये बहुत हेल्प करता है।
और ये है अफगानिस्तान से।
अफगानिस्तान।
और ये क्या है, इसका प्राइस क्या रहता है?
इसके प्राइस पे 2 dirham का 1 ग्राम।
1 ग्राम 2 dirhams का।
Yes.
ठीक है। I think where we are right now, there are all old small shops. You got some fabrics, you got some nice paintings, and there is so much here. And it's nothing like, are we in Dubai really?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like
We are not in Dubai. There is no Burj Khalifa, but this is the oldest Dubai. This is where all the people they used to dock their ships here nearby, and they used to do some shopping. They used to stay here.
But after the construction of Burj Khalifa, many of the original historical areas around the creek started disappearing. So, to preserve this part of Dubai's history, the government developed Al Seef as a heritage destination that reflects the traditional Emirati culture and the local architecture. We also found some stoles and shawls with very beautiful designs, mainly from Kashmir in northern India.
सबसे महंगा स्टॉल।
सबसे महंगा हमारे पास ये वाला है,
शो टाइम।
जो हाथ से बना है।
जो ये हाथ से बना हैंडमेड है ये भी।
ये
ये
handmade
इसका
है।
प्राइस कितना है?
इसका प्राइस है 550।
550 dirham।
Yes, ये ज़्यादा पसंद आता है।
क्या बात है।
They are famous for pashmina wool, hand embroidery, and soft and warm fabric.
It feels like we have come to Leh Ladakh.
Leh Ladakh?
Yeah, because it has mud houses and very nice weather.
Look at this narrow gully. This is gully or this is a street?
When you walk through this area today, you'll notice buildings that look like old mud houses or small forts. These structures are designed to resemble traditional Emirati architecture that existed here more than 100 years ago. Inside these heritage shops, you'll even find handmade Persian and Afghan carpets worth over 20,000 dirhams.
इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा वाला कौन सा है आपके पास? सबसे एक्सपेंसिव।
इसमें बड़ा वाला जो है ना वो 20,000।
वो जो सामने है ये 20,000 दिरहम का है सामने वाला। ओके।
ये वाला ईरान से आया हुआ है।
ये आएगा 7,000 dirham।
7,000।
ये 8,000 dirham।
ओके।
ये 10,000 dirham।
This is handmade.
मशीन मेड जो है ना मशीन मेड में ये नहीं
ये नहीं हो पाता है।
handmade है।
तो इसके ये बीच में ये दिख रहे हैं स्टिचेस, ये मतलब इससे हैंडमेड दिखता है पूरा।
अच्छा, और मशीन वाले में ये
मशीन
ऐसा
वाले
नहीं
में
दिखता
पूरा
है।
प्लेन रहता है, जैसे ये दिख रहा है। हाँ, इसमें स्टिचेस नहीं दिख रहे कहीं पर भी। ये मशीन में बना हुआ है।
मशीन में
बढ़िया भैया। आप कहाँ से हो भैया?
ये बांग्लादेश का है।
बांग्लादेश।
आप इंडिया का है।
हम
हाँ
लोग
जी,
इंडिया
भैया
से।
इंडिया।
Meet Afsar bhai in Al Seef. He has a nice collection
King
of
Carpet
rugs.
Gallery। King Carpet Gallery।
King Carpet Gallery।
Al Seef।
Al Seef.
Bar Dubai।
Bar
Bar
Dubai.
Dubai।
And believe it or not, one carpet can take years to weave by hands. Here is an interesting twist. These buildings look historic from the outside, but they are actually modern constructions.
This lantern, what is this lantern? So backside, if you see, this right hand side, green door, okay, very traditional, boring green door. Here on the left hand side, there is a glass door. This is what Dubai is right now, and we are currently on the traditional side of the Dubai, and Burj Khalifa in downtown is the modern side of Dubai. See, everywhere small mud houses. When we were there in Leh Ladakh, we had a similar kind of experience. Everything is built up of mud, and there are thatched roofs made of cane. Wooden beams are going all the way. This is a kind of a courtyard, old movie.
This looks like a Counter-Strike map.
Oh.
we used to play.
Yeah, it's a Dust 2 Counter-Strike map that we are in.
This exactly looks like that. Like
Roger that.
Counter-Strike map.
Affirmative. Fire in the hole.
Inside these traditional looking structures, you'll find restaurants, cafes, and retail spaces. So while the exterior reflects the past, the interiors are completely modern, with air conditioning, contemporary furniture, digital menus, and international brands like Starbucks, Costa Coffee, and McDonald's.
This is the best Starbucks we have ever seen in our lives. Look at this traditional roof. Wow. Like, we didn't expect it that Starbucks would do something like this, but this is like the most exceptional Starbucks. Really, guys.
This combination of traditional design and modern functionality is what makes this place truly unique.
And this is sustainable architecture that we are talking about, okay? Because way back in the 80s, they didn't rely on concrete, they didn't rely on any kind of glass facades. Everything was happening between mud and wood.
The culture and architecture shown at this place, Al Seef, is amazing. I'm really amazed by this, and especially the Emirati culture. The herbs they have, the masalas they have, and this place has a lot of cafes and a lot of things to shop about the culture of Dubai. And again, this is very different from the Dubai which is shown in Burj Khalifa, the gold, the Lamborghinis, and this is totally different. This is a must visit if you want to see the old Dubai, because the waterfront, again, it's truly mesmerizing during the sunset, and you'll get very nice pictures for Instagram, and it's lovely.
The best part here that Dubai is still maintaining its roots. What we are here right now seeing, it's how it began its journey. And the glory and the good buildings and the cars and the good side of Dubai, that is the product of what we see right now. This place teaches one thing, that is you need to stay original to your roots. You need to know from where you came, discover yourself, and then the destiny will lead your path.